Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. Later that we know that the s, that means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we can do first the derivative of tan y, and we have secant of y squared. We have dy, that means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So this one we need to do first the derivative of s. We have number 1. This one we don't have s, so you got number 0. And we can see that this one and this one, they are same. That is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function fsy. And we need to know that we put the integration of this one going here. The integration of tan y, we have s because we have ds. The next one, that is about 2s. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. This one we have number 1. Oh, sorry. This one we have secant of y squared. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. And now we have d over dy 3sy. And we know that this one equals to this one. Now we simplify s secant of y squared for the both sides. And now we put the integration for the both sides. So this one we have Fn of the absolute value of y, and I will put about c. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one we have 3sy. 3sy equals to this one. And we know that this one equal to fsy. Fsy equals to c. And now we can simplify like this. Now we have the conditions in here. So that means when s equal to number 0, y equal to number 1. So we put number 0 and number 1 going here. So we calculate this one, and we have c equals to number 0. And now we put this one, go back in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.